Lateral wall of nose. The lateral wall of nose is irregular by the presence of three shelf-like bony projections called concha. The concha increases the surface area of the nose for effective air conditioning of the inspired air. The lateral wall can be subdivided three parts. A small depressed area in the anterior part is called the vestibule. The middle part is known as the atrium of the middle meatus. The posterior part contains the concha, and the space separating the concha are called meatuses, which we will discuss later. The skeleton of the lateral wall is partially bony, partially cartilaginous, and partially made up of soft tissue. The bony part formed from before backwards by nasal bone, frontal process of maxilla, lacrimal, labyrinth of ethmoid with superior and middle concha. Inferior nasal concha is made up of spongy bone only. The perpendicular plate of palatine bone, together with its orbital and sphenoidal processes, and medial pterygoid plate. The cartilages which forming the lateral wall of nose are the superior nasal cartilages, inferior nasal cartilages, and 3 or 4 small alar cartilages. Conchae and meatuses. The nasal conchae are curved bony projections directed downwards and medially. The inferior concha is an independent bone, whereas the middle concha and superior concha are projections from the medial surface of ethmoidal labyrinth. The superior concha is the smallest concha situated just above the posterior part of middle concha. You can see superior concha here, this is middle concha, and this is inferior concha. Then the meatuses. The meatuses of nose are passages beneath the overhanging concha. The inferior meatuses lies underneath the inferior concha and is the largest of the three meatuses. The nasolacrimal duct opens into its at the junction of its anterior 1/3 and posterior 2/3. The middle meatus lies underneath the middle concha, and this middle meatus contains ethmoidal bulla. Ethmoidal bulla is a rounded elevation produced by the underlying middle ethmoidal sinuses, and the hiatus semilunaris is a deep semicircular sulcus below the bulla, and this is the ethmoidal bulla. Around it a semicircular sulcus we can see, it is called the hiatus semilunaris. Okay, the infundibulum is a short passage at the anterior end of the hiatus. The opening of frontal air sinuses is seen in the anterior part of hiatus semilunaris. You can see the opening of the frontal air sinuses here, the anterior part of hiatus semilunaris. Opening of the anterior ethmoidal air sinuses present behind the opening of frontal air sinuses. Opening of maxillary air sinuses is located in the posterior part of hiatus semilunaris. It is often represented by two openings. The superior meatus lies below the superior concha, and this is the shortest and shallowest of the three meatuses. It receives the openings of the posterior ethmoidal air sinuses. The sphenoethmoidal recess is a triangular fossa just above the superior concha. It receives the opening of the sphenoidal air sinus. The atrium of middle meatus is a shallow depression just in front of the middle meatus and above the vestibule of nose. Arterial supply. The anterior superior quadrant is supplied by the anterior ethmoidal artery assisted by the posterior ethmoidal artery. The anterior inferior quadrant is supplied by the branches from facial artery. The posterior superior quadrant is supplied by the few branches of the sphenopalatine artery. The posterior inferior quadrant is supplied by greater palatine artery, which pierces the perpendicular plate of palatine bone and passes up through the incisive fossa. Then about the venous drainage. The veins form a plexus which drains anteriorly into the facial vein, posteriorly into the pharyngeal plexus of veins, and form the middle part to the pterygoid plexus of veins. Nerve supply. The anterior superior quadrant is supplied by the anterior ethmoidal nerve, which is the branch of ophthalmic nerve. The anterior inferior quadrant is supplied by the anterior superior alveolar nerve, branch of infraorbital continuation of maxilla. The posterior superior quadrant is supplied by the lateral posterior superior nasal branches, and the posterior inferior quadrant is supplied by the anterior palatine branches from the pterygopalatine ganglion. The special sensory nerves or the olfactory nerves are distributed to the upper part of the lateral wall of nose just below the cribriform plate of ethmoid up to the superior concha. I hope this video helped you to understand the topic, and if you have any doubts and suggestions, write it in the comment box below, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up button. Thank you.